For the longest time, I wish that closure meant you'll recall our past. Remember how crazy about me you were, how good our love was, and you will come running back to me. My heart hurt so bad when you left. Piece by piece, I had to rebuild every bone you broke, every trust you broke, every lie you told, piece by piece. I had to sort through the baggage to get to the real. What was true, what wasn't. It felt impossible to know. For days I worked so hard to get up and move on. But impossible does not mean never. Closure did not end with you. And my heart no longer hurts as much as my head, which is still amazed at the truth I found. That rather than you, I found me. There was no you in my truth. There was no you and me either. There was just me and a desperate longing to love, heal, grow, and glow up. Me in my truth. I never needed you. It was an illusion that you ever loved me or that you were worth me. You weren't. I did not consider how profound this truth will be to me, as there is no anger, malice, or bitterness. Only a desperate need to have 30 showers if they can forever rid me of all knowledge of you. But memory being what it is, gratefully, I settle quietly into this peaceful awakening that comes from seeing the beauty and exquisiteness of my own soul.